Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. A very good morning to all of you. So let's start the class. First of all, open your maths revision notebook, everyone. Revision notebook, the long one. Write revision number. Which revision we will do now?
6.
Revision number 6. Please open. And Vihan Riaz, please take a note that you come in the class every day. You are getting absent very frequently. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी आप एक दिन आते हैं, 2 दिन नहीं आते हैं. So I don't want this. You to become regular in the class. Okay. So now I'm going to present you my screen. I'll show you the revision number 6 and the topic. So you need to write the topic accordingly. Can you all see the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait a minute. I'll do little bold so that you can see it properly. The topic of today is comparing the numbers. Comparing, you know, what is comparison? Who will tell me what is comparison? What is comparing means?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please.
Comparison. Ma'am, greater than, less than, or is equal to.
Yes, when we are comparing two numbers, which is greater than, which is less than, and equals to, it is called comparison of numbers. So, wait. Now, Arav Hapani, read this number. Which number is given here? And by the time everyone please start writing, put today's date, put revision 6, topic is comparing the numbers. Arav Hapani, read the first number, what it is given.
82,765.
Hmm. The next. Hmm. Hmm.
97,450.
So when you are comparing the number, first of all, you need to write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in 82,000. And next is again 5 digits. So from the digits, we can say both are same digits. But now we compare the last place value, which is the highest place value, and the number is 8 on it. And the next highest place value, the number is 9. So which will be greater, 97,450 or 82,765? Please tell me the answer, students. Which number will be the greater number?
Ma'am, 9,007, 97,450.
Yes, 97,450 is the greater. So you will put the greater sign. Next is Arth Gujarati will read the number for me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, tell. If you're saying
can,
excuse me, then
can
start
I write
speaking.
with can I write with ball pen?
If you don't have option, then you can write. No problem. I will go to Arth Gujarati. Arth Gujarati, can you read the B number?
Yes, ma'am. 69,475
Hmm.
dash 15,824.
Can you tell me which number is greater?
Ma'am, on the A1, the 97 one is greater.
A1 is, sorry, yeah, 97 is greater. By mistake, I have done this. So when I will read, wait a minute, Arth Gujarati. Thank you, students. So children, when I read this number, how I will read 82,765 is less than. This is which sign? Less than is less than 997,450. Got it? How you will read this? 82,765 is less than 97,450. I will go to the next one. Yes, Arth Gujarati, tell me, read the next one.
Ma'am, number B.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Which,
answer
uh,
as 69,475.
which sign I will put here? Greater
Greater
than or
sign.
less? Greater sign. $69,475 is greater than 15,824. Next term will be read by Vedi. Read by Vedi. Vedi, please
Yes,
read.
ma'am.
Hmm.
98,023. 98,073. 90. The greater number is 98,073.
So when you read this, after putting a sign, wait, I will put a sign for you. And how you will read this number? Start reading from the beginning. कैसे
The
sentence को
great,
कैसे पढ़ोगे? Yes.
the greater number
No, no.
is
How you will read the sentence? 98,023
the greater number.
is less. 98,023 is less than the
Then
98,073. This is less than
okay.
sign, no? So we
Yes.
read it as 98,023 is less than. Go to the next child. I will now Mohammed Moin Kuledi. Moin Kuledi.
Yes.
Moin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please read the third D1 and give me the answer.
37,425 equal 37,425.
Excellent. Equal to sign will come. Both are same. Thank you. Next will be after Moin. Dir Kinsara. Read the E1.
Kiveshra.
Dir.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the D1. E1.
Ma'am, it's the 24,436.
So which sign I will put?
Ma'am, greater one.
Greater one. Can you read the sentence completely?
Yes, ma'am. 2,400.
2000.
24,434. That 2,000. 24,436.
So if I put this sign, how you will read along with the sign?
What, ma'am?
If I put this sign here, how you will read this numbers along with the sign? 24,434 is less than 24,436. Got it? This sign is less than sign. So we can say this number is less than this number. So automatically this will be greater? Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you read the sentence, 24,434 is less than 24,436. I will go to the next child, Mohammed Momin. Mohammed Momin,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the next.
9,71,236.
Hmm.
7
Ma'am, can you show next one?
20,742.
Hmm.
9 lakh.
So which one is greater? 9 lakh one. So which sign I will put here? Which sign I will put here? Lesser sign or greater sign?
Greater sign, ma'am.
Greater sign. So 9,71,236 is greater than 7,20,742. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
I will go to the next child, Moksh Patel.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Maybe you facing some network issue. My voice is coming clearly. Children, my voice is coming clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
here.
I will go to the next child now. I announce the name Moksh Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksh Patel, next one.
5,94,200 211.
Hmm.
9,50,213.
Hmm. So which sign I will put?
9,50,213.
Is greater, right? So I will put here the lesser sign. So when you read this number, children don't get confused that ma'am is sometimes saying lesser, greater. When you read this number, 5,94,213, 211 is less than, this is lesser sign, is less than 9,50,213. जब ये less than हुआ, so automatically ये greater हो गया. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, now next child will tell me, Dhwani, crocodile will open which side the mouth in the next one?
Yes, ma'am. It will open that 6,85,772.
Yes. 7, it is greater than. So greater than sign will come, right?
I can say the next. Yes, ma'am.
Which child is saying I can say?
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm confused and the I one. I. Ma'am,
Okay. Arav will tell Dhwani, then you listen it properly if you have a
There are two
confusion.
sides.
Yes, Arav. I.
Ma'am, can I say?
Arav, yes, say.
Ma'am, which H1 now?
H is already done. I.
Okay, ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I have wrote the wrong numbers. That's why.
Yes.
Equal to, ma'am.
Equal to. Thank you. Next, Vihan Vyas. I will give next in my next chances to Pragyan, Shivani, Shivangi. To yeah, next will be in the next chance tomorrow. Yes, Vihan Vyas, give me
9,56,900.
which number you are reading. You need to read the last one. You can see on the screen till I. It is already done.
5,74,316.
Hmm.
4,31,245.
Hmm.
Then 500. Then
5,74,316 is greater than. Sorry, my sign is not coming. Is greater than. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you
ma'am.
faster, give you 2-3 minutes
Ma'am.
more so that you can complete it, and then we start the today's topic. Once you complete, close the notebook, keep it aside, and please attach your work today in the revision notebook.
Ma'am, I one was the last one, no?
J is the last one.
J.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot see in your screen the J
Go
one.
2 minutes. See the J.
I cannot see.
Now see.
Right.
I and J, you will resemble it same, but they are different. Yes, Dil.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, when you do down, then only I saw.
Okay.
Because I am doing in the mobile. See this one.
Okay. 1 or 2 minutes more and then I will start the topic. So please be ready with your maths notebooks. Children, till that I will discuss to the students, those who have completed. So what was our last topic with the chapter number long and short? What was our last topic?
Ma'am,
Who will
addition of
answer?
kilometer and meter. Addition of kilometer and meter.
Addition of kilometers and meters. So what are you expecting? What will come the next topic?
Subtraction of kilometers and meters.
Yes, subtraction. And please remember, you have only two operations with units. In meter and centimeter also addition and subtraction. In kilometer and meter also addition and subtraction. No multiplication, no division. Clear?
Ma'am, after this, it will be liters and milliliters, no?
That will come in the next chapter, in another chapter. That I think it's related to the chapter number 7, jugs and mugs.
Ma'am, jugs and mugs was in the third class also.
Oh, addition you learning in the third also, in second also. Just upgraded one you are learning now, no?
Yes.
सब कुछ तो आप शुरू से पढ़ के आते हो.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी, yes.
The day before yesterday's worksheet, I was not able to understand the last question.
Okay, you submit the worksheet. If there is some correction, I will do it. Okay.
Ma'am, can you just show me how to do that last question?
That is your individual query. I'll solve it later on, or you can ask in some another class. Okay, Shivani. But right now I need to explain the students. So once they will start doing, please turn on your camera, everyone. I request everyone to turn on their cameras and sit. Shivani, I cannot see you. So how can I teach you? Now it's on. Arth Gujarati, Vedi, Arav Hapani, Krisha Huria.
Ma'am, my camera is upside down.
Okay, so now we are upside down. It is coming. Camera.
Yes, that the problem is that, so that's why I was offering.
So first I will show you the video based on the kilometers and meters, and then we will do the worksheet. And Shivani, once they will start doing the worksheet, we will solve that query.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. So can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please pay attention here. So children, as you know that we have already learned the concept how to note down the units and how to note down the digits under the units. As I already explained you, it is compulsory to have 3 digits in the meters. So same in the subtraction also. But in subtraction, always remember the bigger value in kilometer will come first. And the friend of that kilometer means जो meters में उसके साथ है, that group only will go, right? So here when you say that 12 kilometers 496 meters, it will come first, and then 9 kilometers 308 meters will come down. So when you subtract, 6 minus 8 is not possible, so it will become 16 minus 8 is 8, 9 will become 8, 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 3 is 1, and then 2 minus 9 is not possible, so it will become 12 minus 9 is 3. Next sum. Again I request you to please see that जिसका जो friend है, that friend only will go with 8 kilometer 500 meters, and from 89 kilometers 439 meters. From word is coming. If from is coming, so you automatically should know that from 89 you have to subtract 28. But don't think 89 kilometer will go in the kilometer, and with the 89 you will write 500. Your answer will be wrong, because 89 kilometer is having a friend with it is 439 meters. That only will go along with 89. You cannot write 89 kilometers and 500 meters. No. 500 meters is a friend of 28, will only go along with 28. So 89, when you note down into the columns, I'll show you how you note down in the columns, then you subtract, it will be possible. So 89 kilometers, 439 meters. Under it, you will write 28 kilometers, 500 meters. Don't do this mistake of interchanging the meters according to. अगर आपको लगता है 500 बड़ा है तो वो ऊपर आना चाहिए, that will be wrong. Because you only compare from the kilometers, not from the meters. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now you can subtract it. 9 minus 0 is 9. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 5 is not possible. So what we will do in this case?
I'm borrowing.
Borrowing. We will borrow 1. It will become 14. And 14 minus 5 is what? Tell me 14 minus 5. 9.
9.
So it will become 9.
9, ma'am.
And this 9 will become 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 8 minus 2 is 6. It will become 60. So you will read as 60 kilometers, 939 meters. You cannot say 60,939. Then if you are saying reading is at 60,939, then only one unit will come, that is meters. 60,939 meters. But when you are reading it separately with the kilometers and meters, then you will say 60 kilometers, 939 meters. So after the completion, I'll show you, you will write the answer like this at the down. It is not coming here, but you will write the answer down here like this here. Can you see here? 60 kilometers, 939 meters. Yes or no?
Yes.
This way, when the answer comes after here, you write the answer down. And for the subtraction, we use the word difference. We are finding the difference between these two numbers. Am I clear to you all? I'm going to show you the worksheet. I'm going to show you the worksheet based on this. 2 sums you will do here right now in the class, and remaining 6 sums will be your homework. This worksheet you will get in the class maths folder as today's homework. So 2 sums is your classwork. Start doing. I'm going to present you my screen. Viha, are you clear? Shivani, Shivangi, Arav, are you all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me present the screen. Moin Kuledi, clear? Pragyan?
Ma'am, this
Yes or
way
no?
to do that last one.
Can you all see the screen? Can you all see my screen? Worksheet is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Arrange the columns and subtract the following lengths. It is in kilometer and meter. You need to subtract. So start doing 2 sums.
You can zoom, please. Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, please go. Please go.
Okay, ma'am.
I have zoomed it for you. Please do it. If you completed the 2 sums, if you have still time, you can complete 2 more also. So 4 sums are here visible on the screen. Yes, Shivani, you were asking something from me. Can you tell me the sum number and the work? Because when I present, yeah.
Ma'am, the worksheet of the day before yesterday.
You please tell me the sum number because I don't remember. I'm sending you to so many worksheets.
Ma'am, they're not sums. It's to convert meters into kilometer and divide the number of meters by 100.
So can you tell? So can you tell me the number which sum you face the difficulty?
Ma'am, this double 824.
8824. Yes, 8824. How you will read this number? 8824. Shivani, how you will read this number?
8824.
So you this is in which kilometer or meter it is given?
Ma'am, 8 kilometer and 824 meters.
Yes, then answer is right. Then you have already given me the answer. 8 kilometers and 824 meters.
Okay.
Your answer is right. Got it?
Okay.
Children, please do this faster. If you have done the first one, can anyone tell me the first answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we take a printout of this?
Okay, I'll give you the link in the chat box. You can take out the print. Or
No,
you
ma'am,
can.
you will send. No, that only I will do it from.
I
I
will
will take
send.
a.
I will send.
Me, ma'am, I
But
am
but
print of all the worksheets. It's okay.
see, children, I want to see your work also how you are doing. But if in case there is a lot of thing to note down in the notebook, then you can do in the worksheet, no problem. But there are just only to note down one sum and do the solution. Then it is better to use the notebook.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
am doing
it
all
is
the
up to
worksheets in printout.
it is up it is up to your call.
Okay.
So children, I am sending a worksheet in case if you're feeling difficulty that ma'am scroll down, scroll up. So I'm sending a link into the chat box. You can log into the link and you can start doing.
Ma'am, I will send you the answer. Dear.
Okay, let me check the answer number. Dheer has sent 18 kilometer 220 18 kilometer 212 meters. Let me check the answer. 18 first answer. No, it is wrong up Dheer. Do it again. I think you should know the subtraction. Children, don't say that scroll up, scroll down. You can click on the link which I have posted in the classroom. You can see the worksheet on your desktop also. Okay. Are you able to see open the worksheet, Moksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm going to stop the presentation so that you can see on your desktop. See the worksheet on your desktop. It is already given in your chat box. And please write the answer of first one. Dheer, please mute your mic.
Ma'am, but I cannot go in.
Because you are logging from the phone, right? Okay, I will present it to you. Those who have any difficulty to log in with the link, I'm presenting it again. No problem. And if you are clear, Dheer, it is there on the screen now. Can you see?
Hello, ma'am. Please see first answer.
Okay, let me check the first answer. Somebody has posted in the Mohammed Momin, right?
Yes,
7
ma'am.
kilometer, 288 meter. Let me check the answer. No, answer is wrong. Check the answer again. I'm going to present it on the screen. Please do check the answer again. Children, 70 meter, it is only 70. So you need to write the 0 before 7. Make it 3 digits and then start subtracting. Because until and unless you will not make 3 digits in the meters, it will be very difficult for subtract. But in kilometers, there is no limit. How many digits it can be? It can be 2, 3, 1 also. But in kilometers, it is compulsory to have 3 digits. Please tell me the answer of first one. Turn on your mic if you got the answer. Please tell me. Let me take the attendance once again for a minute and then you can start writing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first one answer is 17 km.
70.
770 km.
See my answer.
You will not read as km. You will read it as kilometers and meters, not km or m.
Ma'am,
17 kilometer.
Arav, wait. How can I listen the two students keep speaking together? Yes, you need to wait. Yes, Mohammed.
hello, ma'am. I see my answer. in
Those
the
who
chat.
are saying hello, ma'am, is already one child is speaking, Mohammed Momin. So I cannot listen all together.
Hello, ma'am. See my answer in the
Okay,
chat box.
okay. Let me check. 17 kilometers, 782 meters. Yes. Then it is right. No, 82 also wrong. It is 88, 788. 788. Mohammed got it? When you do 0 minus 8, when you do 0 minus 2, when you do, then it will be, you will borrow it and make it 10 minus 2. Then it will be 8. Got it, Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am. I write the next answer also, the 23.
Moksh is also wrong. 28 kilometers, 788 is wrong.
I'm
My answer is right.
Arav answer is right. Arav Hapani's answer is right. 17 kilometers, 788 meters. And Mohammed Momin first answer is right, which he has written 17 kilometer. No, 288 is wrong. 288 is wrong. 788 is right.
But the bigger number comes up for subtraction, no?
Then right, no? 63 minus 63. Can you see my screen? 63.
So it will be the 28.
That's what I told you. Many of you do the same mistake कि आप मीटर में भी ऊपर 282 लिख दोगे, वो गलत है. 282, you cannot compare the bigger number from meters. You only will compare from kilometers. और किलोमीटर के साथ उसका जो फ्रेंड है वो साथ में जाएगा, चाहे वो छोटा है चाहे बड़ा. Got it, Dheer? You can see the answer key on my screen, please, and then I'll explain you better. See here. 63 is the kilometer and 070 is the friend of 63 will go along with in the meters. 45 in the kilometers and 282 in the meters because the friend of 282 is 45. तो वो उसी के साथ ही meters में जाएगा. You cannot compare the greater and the lesser numbers with the meters. वहां से आपको compare नहीं करना है. You only compare which is greater number from kilometers only. अगर आपने किलोमीटर में पता लगा लिया कि 63 किलोमीटर बड़ा है कि 45 बड़ा है, then if you know that 63 किलोमीटर is greater, फिर तो 63 के साथ 70 ही उसके सामने जाएगा मीटर्स में, because the friend of 70 meters is 63. आप उनके फ्रेंड्स को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. Clear? Yes or no, Dheer? You will not interchange the length of the meters. You only compare it from the meters, not from compare it from kilometers, not from meters. Am I clear with you all? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, thank you. I'm going to send this worksheet in the classroom as well.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.